Hi guys, it's Elijah back inside Stonewalks, and today we are playing MeepCity. Yeah.
I let him pick the game all the time, and this time he picked MeepCity.
Yeah.
So I had to do it.
Okay, what do you want to do? It's nighttime already.
Song copyrighted. I don't care.
Okay. Let's go.
That guy's like 6'9". No. Okay, where are you?
Do you want to see my house? Do you want to see my house?
No.
Pause it.
Okay.
No.
Okay, guys.
Hurry!
Stop. That's the playground. Which one are you going? Big grassy, small grassy?
This one.
Big grassy.
Big grass.
I wish since he has a iPhone or Apple iPad, he has iMovie on there. So I know another way. I wish we could do something like I don't know how to say it.
Look, this is my cloud walls.
I'm still loading it.
And look at this.
I'm gonna teleport to you.
Look at this. Okay, I'm gonna meet you.
Meet me outside.
Okay.
In game.
I'm here. It's morning already.
I know where you are. Elijah, turn back around.
Wait.
I know where your house is.
I'm putting my beep away. It's home. Where are you, Kuya? Do I turn on? Oh, I see you. Come on, Kuya.
Okay, I'm here.
Okay, wait. Let's go to school now.
Okay, teleport there.
Oh, teleport where?
To the neighborhood.
How do you
No, to playground.
teleport to playground?
No, that's your backyard.
Where? The playground.
Hi, guys. How are you all doing today?
Well, I'm gonna teleport to the backyard. Okay.
No, you're supposed to teleport to there, teleport to the neighborhood. No. Playground.
Playground. I'm coming. I'm
Okay.
here.
Okay, I'm gonna play one.
Let's go to school.
Let's play one round of what do you call it? Then if I beat them, I'm playing one round of Connect 4, and if I beat this guy, you have to hit that subscribe button and like, or Siren Head will come right now and slash you up, and the Siren Head, siren will go. Dun, I don't know how to.
Dun 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 dun. You're doing it with the girl.
I know.
Pause the video.
Who? We're back here now. No, I know a strategy.
No, you're red team.
I know a strategy. Cora, don't be dumb enough.
No.
So goes.
So close.
Oh, as you know my strategy, I'm gonna go do that.
Did he almost win?
No! Remember to subscribe and like again. Look. Oh, someone said.
What? I'm gonna play with you this time.
Elijah, she wants to adopt us. Should we say yeah?
Yeah.
But yeah.
I'm gonna say yes. 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 Can I adopt you?
No, she's asking me. No. I'm going to school.
She's close to me.
Elijah, meet me
Where
there.
are you?
I'm gonna go to school. Go to teleport to me. I'm going to school.
Okay.
Teleporting. You can't teleport to me. Okay, I'm here.
I'm going into school. Wait for me, Kuya. Wait.
Everybody said, Elijah, we have to go eat lunch.
We need to pick our lockers. We will pick our lockers.
My lockers is gonna be right here.
This is my locker. Be stinky.
Guys, if you're wondering, look, this is how much coins I have, and Elijah has 498.
Hurry! Let's sit.
Hold
We need to get our lunch.
We're not classmates.
Okay.
We got to celebrate for a reason, because we kissed in class. Give me a kiss. No, I'm fine. Jing Jing.
Pause the video.
Oh, Jing Jing's behind us. Jing, you want to play Roblox? Okay, I'm eating my lunch. How about you?
I'm eating my lunch.
Yeah, you just click on it.
I'm getting my beep here. My beep's here.
My Nilo's here too. Yours is Owlet.
Yeah.
And mine
No,
is
it's Owlet.
Yeah, it's Owlet. I said Owlet.
Like the PJ Masks.
Yeah.
Who did that?
Jing Jing.
I'm trying to pull my hands off.
I actually did that. How I like this. I like that.
I'm done.
Okay. My phone dropped, guys. Jing.
Ding. Why are you doing it?
Okay, let's go.
Come on.
Where you want to go? I'm gonna say.
Hurry.
I think Nana's leaving. Bye, Nana.
Let's go. Come on, Kuya.
I think.
Bye, boys. Bye.
Yo, guys. Okay, move.
Where's my locker? Our locker disappeared.
No, it didn't.
Yes, it did. Look at our names.
Gym, basketball. We love basketball. Basketball.
Where are you, Kuya? Go for me. See you.
He's chasing me. Principal, we have a girl chasing me.
No. I'm a friend.
Are we in gymnastics? Are we going to gymnastics?
I want to go to gymnastics. And you go basketball.
I'm going to play basketball.
Wait, this is not gymnastics. This is basketball.
It says gymnastics. Guys, am I tripping or did it say?
I'm getting a basketball.
Let's sing.
I don't know how to get a basketball.
It's not. Hey, let me sing.
I'm getting football.
Okay. Ow. Ow. Okay. Yo, guys. Okay. Ready? Ready? No, my name is Nilo. I smell like a pillow. Punch you in the face and call you Kilo. I'm the best at basketball. Shoot the hoop. Ready? No? I be like Coop. I spit bars. Be like cars. Ready? No? Do you guys want a music video with me and Elijah? Me and him rap. Ready? No? I be like bat. Hit you in the bat with a baseball. I hit a home run and I play basketball.
Mo. Hi guys. I'm Elijah and I'm playing Roblox with my cousin. We're playing MeepCity and I have wings. See, look at this. Look at my pink wings. I have pink wings.
Guys,
and that's all I have. And that's all I have. And that's all I have. And that's all I have.
Yay, our singing is so fantastic. Yay! Okay, I'm gonna injure someone. I'm gonna go hide from Elijah.
Okay.
Leave a like if you guys want us to do a music video, cause that was on excellent. Guys, leave a like if you want me to rap. If that was, and subscribe to me.
Okay, go hide somewhere.
You want to play hide and seek?
Yeah.
But you can't look at my screen, but you can only look at the camera. Can I hide out of the school too?
I'm looking at the camera. Hi guys.
It's Elijah Turak. Okay, I'm in the basement. No. I'm in the gym.
You're in the gym?
Yeah, I'm in the gym.
Hi, did you hide?
Yeah, I'm hiding.
Okay, I'm gonna find you.
Oh yeah, tomorrow I'm going to his house and leave a like.
Hi, Kuya.
You were allowed to do that. He cheated. Leave a like if he cheated.
I didn't cheat it. Okay.
You teleported to me. I'm hiding from him. Look, Elijah, I'm in the basement.
No, you're not.
No! How? Elijah, where are
I teleported
we?
to you. I don't know. Where are we gonna go?
Is this Nintendo Switch area? Oh,
Let's play.
let's play. Editor.
Okay.
Let's go. Come on.
Bye, Mike. Will ya?
You're just gonna
Okay.
pay.